Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about what's going to be the next step for you after you've successfully rebooted from pornography or been without porn for 90, 180 days. And how are you going to build yourself up to live a life porn-free for the rest of your life? Because let's remember, guys, if you're going to successfully remove pornography from your life, yes, it's going to require a dedicated, short amount of time, but ultimately you're going to have to continue to work on yourself, continue to grow, and become the man that you were created to be for the rest of your life. But before we end today's video, guys, let me remind you who we are and what we do here. My name is Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuilt Recovery, and it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a handful of different ways. First off, right here on the Rebuild Your Life YouTube channel, we are releasing new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there and also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. And secondly, for you guys that are in the early stages of identifying some of the problems that porn is having on your life and how it's negatively holding you back from becoming the man that you were created to be, make sure to download our free ebook. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn, where we walk you through the exact process that we teach our students here at Rebuild Recovery on how to identify a lot of the problems that porn is having on your life, how to then take that and build a successful plan to remove porn out of your life. But then what do you need to do to follow through, execute, hold yourself accountable to successfully reboot, rewire, and rebuild yourself after pornography? So that's a 7-step guide to living life without porn. I'm gonna link it down in that first pinned comment below. But let's get back to today's video, guys. So you've gone 90 days without pornography. What's next? Or you've gone 180 days without pornography. What's next? Because let's remember, guys, this is going to be a lifelong journey. This is going to be a lifelong process of continue to grow, continue to develop, and continue to become the man that God created you to be. So what we teach our students here, and this is one of the things that I really think is valuable from a lot of the 12-step based recovery programs, is what they teach you there. Once you've successfully gone through their program, they encourage you to become a leader within the 12-step group. They encourage you to take a mentee underneath your wing. And that's what I want you to do here. So once you've successfully rebooted, or once you're aware that you're beginning to change, you're beginning to experience the mental cognition, you're beginning to experience how the world sees, how you see the world differently, you feel the changes occurring inside your brain and inside your body. So you feel the confidence that you are on the path to fully being rebooted. One of the best things that you can do to keep you on the right path, one of the best things that you can do to level yourself up, because I think that this is a character builder, this is character development, is you take on the role of a guide, you take on the role of a mentor, you take on the role of a leader. You know, we talk a lot on this channel here about the importance of community, the importance of having men walk in the same fight, walking the same journey that you're on. We also talk about the importance of having a guide, somebody that's been down the path. So once you've successfully removed porn from your life, you now have victory over something. You've proven that it can be done. So what men want to see is they don't want to see it from me. Yeah, I'm here. I can provide you all the steps. I've built a program. We developed a curriculum. I've gone through trainings. I've spoken with scientists, and we provide a lot of higher level information here. But a lot of guys see me and they see me as like, oh, Frank's way up there. I can never achieve what he's done. But when somebody is close to you, when somebody is literally steps away from where you're at, it seems so much more realistic to be able to know, hey, he was just where I was 3 months ago. I can walk the same path. I can get in his shoes and I can go down the same road that he's been on. So the best thing that you can do once you've successfully rebooted yourself from pornography is to flip the script, become a mentor, become a guide, start leading a small group. You know, here's a couple different options that you can look at. You know, we have men in our program right now that are building out small groups at their churches. You know, I think with a sex, purity, and pornography addiction, there is a massive need inside the walls of a church. So maybe your church doesn't have a group right now, but that doesn't mean that you can't create one. You can't build a virtual Zoom meeting. You can't build a virtual group to where you just meet with men on a consistent basis. Maybe all you do is you take on the role of an individual mentor. You find a young kid, you find a man that's struggling in your town, in your community. Maybe somebody at the gym, you know, that guy that looks at you and he's like, man, you know, Dave is doing amazing things with his body. But it's got to start with you having confidence that you have power and you have control of your life. This is where we talk about the character development piece. Now, once again, what we can do here as well is inside of our Facebook group, which I'm gonna link down in the description there as well. Just be more active, be more vocal, share your story, share your success, grab coffee with somebody. But most importantly, it's gonna come through open, vulnerable, honest conversations and your willingness to put yourself out in front of somebody and say, hey, I know where you were, I know where I am, and I can help show you the steps to get you through that. Now, is this going to damage what we do here? Absolutely not. Yes, we are a business that is based on profitability. We are looking to grow a coaching platform, but I'm very clear and understand that I cannot help every single man in the world. We're very clear on who we're trying to help, and we have a very clear system that's proven to work. But a lot of men can't afford what we offer here. A lot of men aren't ready to fully commit to joining a coaching program. They just don't have the resources. And that's where somebody like you can really step in here. You can become that guide. You can become that mentor. You can show them that, hey, no matter what you're going through right now, if you follow down this course of action, if you stay disciplined on a daily basis, if you continue to put the work in building yourself, if you begin to build new productive habits to remove the destructive ones out of your life, you can have an amazing life too. You can create the life that you were designed to live too. So that's it, guys. Once you fully rebooted, once you fully rewired, and once you fully remove porn from your life for good, the next step is to enroll somebody underneath you. The next step is to take a leadership role. The next step is to become a guide, become a mentor, become a leader, showing other men that they can accomplish this too. So that's it, guys. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. Once again, really hoping that this channel is helping you, really hoping that these videos are providing value and insight into how you can remove porn from your life and step into the life that you were designed to live. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, tap that subscribe button right there, turn those notifications on. For you guys that are aiming to take a proactive approach, for you guys that are aiming to get real clear directions on how to remove porn from your life, download the free ebook. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. I'll see you guys on the other side.